This is our project hospital management system. I am Mohammad Waliul Hassan. My ID is 19201040. My teammates are Sharia Shanto Amirul Islam and Jannatul Faiza. So in our project, this is the home page. There is a image slider and there is some cards. These cards have two buttons. One goes to service page, another goes to contact page. At the bottom, if we click here, it will go back to the top, and there is also a link where we can click to come back to the home page like this. In the navbar we have the home option, the doctor option, contact us option, and there is a drop down. Inside the drop down there is services page and the admin login page, and there is option for login and sign up. Now we are going to start the testing of this website. This website is made in HTML, CSS and Django. This is the Selenium automation code for testing the website. First of all, if we run this first cell, it will open the website, and if this test passes, it will print a test passed message. So let's run this one. Here we can see our home page is on. We can see that this browser is controlled by the automation test software. Now we just turn this thing off and we can see the test has been passed. Next we have the Selenium automation code for navbar testing. If we run this, and it will test the navbar links. So let's run this one. So this is the home page, and then it goes to the contact page, then it goes to the doctor's page, and then it came back to the home page. So our navbar is totally working. Now we turn this thing off and we can see the test has been passed. The test passed text is printed here. And then we have the Selenium automation code for the drop down. Here is the drop down. So let's test this one. Here we can see it turns on the drop down and it turns on the services and then came back to the home page. So our drop down is working. Let's stop this one. Next we have the Selenium testing code for login. There is a user Waliul Hassan and this is the password. So if this login test passes, it will log in and go to the profile page, and if everything goes right, then it will print a test passed message. So let's run this one. So it is the home page. This is the login page, and we can see that it's logged in. Logged in was successful. You can see that this is the profile page. In the profile page, the user can see the username, the first name, last name and email address. You can see the navbar has two new options, one for profile and another for logout. If we click profile, then it will come to profile, and if we click log out, then it will log out. Now we are going to test this logout option, but first we have to log in manually. Logout successful, so we are going to test in the automation log for logout. This is the Selenium testing code for logout. If the logout is successful, it will print a test pass message. Let's run the logout test. This is the home page. Then this is the login page. The login is successful, and then it will go to the profile. Then it will log out and come to the home page. We can see successfully logged out. And if we close this and see here, it prints a test pass message, so our testing is working. And then we have the Selenium testing code for sign up. If we run this, then it will sign up, and this thing will also count the input fields. For we can see that there is so many input fields, so the code will count all the input. For this we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 input, text input actually, so it should print 8 text field, and then it should print the test pass message. So let's see if it works or not. Let's run the sign up testing. So this is the home page, then this is sign up, and then we can see that successfully signed up, data saved, and we can log in now. So if we just, so we can close this one, and we can check that the test has been passed, and it says number of input fields 8. That means there are 8 input fields. We can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 input fields. And if we want to see that if our login is successful or not, we can go to the admin and sign up with admin here to check out if the sign up data has been saved or not. So if we log in and go to the user section, we can see that this is the user name, first name, last name, which we added through this automation code. Here you can see the same username, same first name, email, password, etc. These are all saved here. And lastly, we also have a Selenium testing code for the contact us page. So let's run this one. This is the home page, this is the contact us page, and the contact is saved. So if we close this one and go back to the admin page to check out what happened, here we can see the same information which we just added through the automation coding. There you go, you can see. So it is working perfectly. We can log out from here, and it also prints that test has been passed. So we can see that each and every part of our website is working perfectly. So thank you everyone.